In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image into a custom shape and outline in Canva. Now, if you've ever wondered how to give your images that unique touch by fitting them into different frames or adding some cool outlines, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together and make it super simple. First things first, we're going to head over to Canva. Open up your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll need to get yourself logged in. Simply click on Log In and enter your credentials. If you've used Google to sign up for Canva, you can select your Google account to proceed. This will make things a little quicker. After selecting your account, click Continue to get into Canva. Once you're logged in, it's time to dive into your design space. Open the project you're working on, or if you're starting something new, you can create a fresh design from scratch. Now on the left-hand sidebar in Canva, you'll see various options. What we're looking for today is the Elements tab. Click on this and you'll see a wealth of options open up. To change the shape of your image, we're going to use frames, which are essentially placeholders that you can drop images into. Start by searching for frames with the shape you desire. You can find a plethora of options: circles, squares, hearts, you name it. Once you've typed what you're looking for into the search bar, click on See All to get a full view of the options available to you. Let's say, for instance, you want to use a circle frame. Click on that circle frame and it will be added to your design. Now comes the fun part: integrating your image. Simply click and drag the image you want to fit into this frame and drop it on top. Canva's intuitive design will snap the image into the frame. After placing your image, you might want to make some adjustments to ensure it's perfectly centered or scaled to your liking. Click on the image and use the adjust handles to reposition it within the frame. It's easy to get it just right, so play around a bit until you're satisfied. And there you have it. Your image is now embedded into a custom shape, adding that special creative touch to your project. Remember, with Canva, the possibilities are almost endless, and you can continue exploring different frames and designs to enhance your images. That's it for today's tutorial on transforming images with custom shapes and outlines. Happy designing!